today we're going to be baking these Dino sugar cookies, and they're going to be so good. I can already tell. Because look. Okay, so we're going to be putting them on this pan. So we have to put them spaced out like this. See? See? Like this. Okay?
It's just sticky.
Oh shoot, no, it's okay, it's okay.
Wait, we should have put the stuff on there so it doesn't get sticky on the pan.
It won't. It's okay. Now.
Do I have to do it 2 hands?
I mean, here, no, I'll just do these ones. You do these.
Okay. But these are harder to pick up.
No, just do this one.
I got it.
Okay.
That good?
Nope.
Oh, there.
There we go.
I'll take this one.
Now.
Lift up its tail. Oh, the tail's almost broken.
Here, no, stop. It's fine. I got this.
I'll just say for the first one. No,
now, these look so good. Okay?
How about you give it to me?
No, it's fine. This one's sticky. All right, there we go.
But don't mash up the cookies. I'll take your last one.
There we go. And the last
I got this
one.
I'll take this part.
There.
Thank you.
Now just there. Now we got them all on.
Okay,
And they're ready to put in the oven.
How much minutes?
Okay. Now, we always ask a parent to help us with the oven.
Yeah.
Heat oven to 375 Fahrenheit.
Wait, do we need icing?
No, not yet. Okay, so we're gonna ask a parent to help us.
I'll go get it.
Go get Dada.
I'll get Mama.
No, Dad. No, just get Dad.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, we're editing that out, Dad. Okay. So while she's getting our Dad, please like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. To see our latest videos. So
I'll edit this part out. Nobody put it in the oven part.
we always ask a parent to help us with the oven. So heat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit.
Not
Right
yet.
yet?
It's not gonna hurt. You go ahead.
Oh, okay. Put that down. We don't need that yet. So while the parent is watching over there, he's over there.
Yeah.
We're going to bake.
Can I press your bake? Set the temperature.
75.
Press start.
Start.
And when it beeps, it's hot enough. So pause your show.
We're gonna wait for it to beep and ads. Okay, now it is at 370. So in about a second here, we'll be done. Yay! All done.
Stand there.
Okay, time to put them in the oven. Let's see how long we have to bake it for.
81 minutes.
An ungreased cookie sheet. We needed that.
It was ungreased. It's fine.
Oh. Bake 12 to 14 minutes or until edges are golden brown.
She said
Cool.
12 minute timer.
Okay, 12 minutes. No.
Not even close.
Okay, well, that'll be all for now. But now, please like, subscribe,
And
share, and click the notification bell.
And the sugary sweet.
Okay, now we're gonna leave, and when the cookie timer is done, we'll come back. Bye. Okay, so the timer is done, and it's time to take the cookies out of the oven. So I have an adult supervision right here, like always. Okay, it looks like they're done.
Grab it.
I'm gonna help. got my own
It's
mitten.
heavy. Be careful.
Sorry. Open. They look really good. Okay, now let's see how long it takes them to cool. It takes about,
5 minutes. About 5 minutes.
okay, about 5 minutes for them to cool. And there, the cookies are cooled. They look so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat the cookies, and that's how you make dinosaur
Cookies.
dinosaur cookies.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you later. Can I eat it?
Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. Yum. Bye.